In reproductive sciences, we've been working with caribou for more than 20, 25 years, trying to understand their pregnancy rates out in the wild, the factors that are affecting their stress and impacting their reproductive outcomes.
It's just one of the initiatives currently being undertaken by the Toronto Zoo's Reproductive Sciences Team.
What we're hoping to do is to store genetic material, and in order to store it, to freeze sperm, eggs and embryos, then we have to start doing what's called assisted reproductive technologies, and for that we're looking at quite a few years of research ahead of us. Being able to store genetic material long-term, over 20, 50, 100 years, and bringing it back into the population as it is needed.
That would mean potentially saving the species in the future?
Yes, it really is hoped that reproductive technologies can play a big role, not the only role, but a big role in saving the species.
You know, people think of animals when they think of extinction, but we have to be concerned of the plant life as well.
Absolutely. Most people, when they think of reproductive sciences, of course, we're all trained in mammals. We realize that the one important thing that supports all of those species, of course, is plant life, their habitat, the trees and the flowers around them. And we realize that important as our animal biobank is, so is it to start developing techniques for plants.
The team has recently harvested the reproductive matter of the corpse flower.
So the next corpse flower that blooms, whether it's at Toronto Zoo or at one of our partner institutions, we will thaw the pollen, we will take it to them and hope that something good comes from it. That is just the beginning. And as we grow our animal bank, we can start to grow our plant bank as well.
The science behind the reproductive team happens in their lab, where samples are cryogenically frozen to preserve them for future species reproduction.
No matter what the opportunity is down the way, again, whether it's 10, 20, 50 years from now, that we have the expertise and the capability to bring that genetic material back into a living population.
And that is the ultimate hope, that the decline in biodiversity globally can be mitigated through this long-term management of threatened species. At the Toronto Zoo, Audra Brown, City News.